Not very familiar with Spark. It's actually one of my first ones to ever buy from them. So I'm looking forward to getting to see how good their quality is. I've heard a lot of good things, especially from one of my Mopar friends who does licensing for Mopar, and he loves his. They've got the red one as well, the white stripes that I've gotta have, but I can't justify spending over $300 on a model car. I've never spent that much on like any diecast car I've ever had, so maybe one day if I can sell some stuff I might finally pony up and get it. But definitely want to see the quality of this one before doing so. Take it out of the plastic wrap it came in. Take a look at the box. It has some awesome shots of the real car. Minimax Import and Export. Also not familiar with them. Oh, look at that. It's actually got a serial number on it. So this is number 105 of 300. It's a very limited run. So I'm happy to get it the price which I was able to get this one at. Thank you, eBay coupons. And slide that guy on out. Okay, so got the box. Pull the ripcords. Century's got a little bit of plastic coat inside there. Oh man. Wow. I am actually kind of speechless on this one. I feel like I'm looking at the real car like shrunk down. I mean, sorry guys, I'm at a loss for words. I'm a huge Viper guy, and just to see just even the first appearance, the first impression, it's incredible. Look at that, they put a serial number in there, handwritten. That's amazing. Wow. I really hate that everybody's getting this resin kit going on, because I would love to be able to open the doors on this one, the hood, see that engine. But it seems like resin is the future, unfortunately. So what am I looking at here? Let's try to see right here. I don't know if, yeah, you can see it. Right above here, there's some lines going on. So is that just decals or? Ah. Okay, I can see. That's a little bit of a shame. You can actually see the decal that they put on there. So right here, you actually feel it too. This is all one big decal, the SRT, coming down to the GTS-R. That one's really noticeable. How about the other decals? Yeah, you can see it on the top one too. You see how the paint looks different than where the decal's at. The decal's got more of a flat look versus that paint has a high gloss to it everywhere except for the decal is, so I'm not seeing a single tampo on this car. Nope. Okay, so basically everything you see on here that's not silver is a decal. A little disappointed in that, especially at the price point what this car is. It's hoping for some tampos, but at least when you look at it far away, it's pretty hard to notice. And the light that I've got on this is a lot more harsh than where it's going to be displayed at. So once I get in the proper lighting, you're not going to be able to really see that. That's cool. So it's got a real mesh front. Unlike TSM that kind of has it sealed off. Now, can you see the grill? You can see light coming in through right there. Like especially like right here. You can see how light through there. Ah, that's funny. That's awesome. They do the same for the back. Back solid. You can see the transmission back there. Turn on some light. So you can see kind of some of the workings back there. See the fuel cell. DriveSRT.com. Man, I really hate that they did decals on everything, because look at the glass on that paint. It is beautiful. They did a fantastic job, and the decals just ruin it. Ah, a little frustrating. But again, once I get in the proper light, it should be fine. You can see those huge Brembo brakes. It's awesome. So you can see a little bit of the interior. The interior is really hard to see in this one. You can definitely see some computer gauges going on, which is pretty cool. Let's see if we can get a little bit better on this side. That's gonna be a pain. But anyways, there you have it. This is made by Spark. There are still a few of these on eBay, at least at the time of this video being made. But if I were you, I would snatch one up before they all sell out. I mean, it is a little frustrating that the decals kind of ruined the paint. But again, at that price point in which I was able to snag one, in which they're still selling for on eBay, it's definitely worth a pickup. It is heavy. This is actually, I think, a lot heavier than my TSM resin model, which is nice. It's nice to have some real weight on the car. I was going to take the platform off and I was going to display it loose like I did my other ones, but I think I might actually keep it on this platform just because it's numbered and it's really cool. So anyways, guys, if you're looking for a really highly detailed Dodge Viper that looks like the real car shrunk down, I definitely recommend Spark. I mean, while it's not perfect, I mean, it's still really nice. And if Spark, if you're listening in the future, do you think you could possibly make one of these out of die cast? Make it to where you can open up the hood, show off that engine? That'd be fantastic. So anyways, guys, let me know in the comments what you think of this. And if you've got one, definitely comment. If you got a video of it, share it with me. I'd love to see it. So, oh, I was hoping for that. Sorry, one last detail. Look in there. You can see the air intake for the engine. That's hilarious. That's interesting. So, you can actually see through the mesh on there. It's kind of a bold move when there's no engine. But, hey, it's awesome. I love the detail. Anyways, guys, as always, happy hunting. Good luck. Let me know what you're finding.